At the Indy Chamber's Hispanic Business Council, our goal is to help our members grow through coaching, education, access to capital, and just as importantly, meaningful connections. One of those connections is the heart of this story. At a Conexión event, Jan Marie Connor, owner of Connor Painting, found a solution to a key challenge through Spanish for Entities, led by Maria Rosana Mestre, sparking a partnership that's now strengthening communication and creating new opportunities.
Spanish for Entities is a language institute, a language academy. We dedicate to corporate language programs, either Spanish as a foreign language or ESL, English as a second language.
Connor Painting is a commercial and industrial maintenance painting contractor. This particular program was a sort of missing link for us in being able to help our professional painters move up through our system in order to be able to communicate with the level of client that we serve.
My name is Haley Garcia. I'm the HR manager at Connor Painting, and a huge piece of what I do here is all around career development. And our learning and development program has 3 pillars. So we have the technical skills training, we have leadership training, and we have language development. And one day, Jan Marie forwarded me an email, said something along the lines of, have you checked this opportunity out yet? And I stumbled upon Spanish for Entities. So I scheduled a call with Maria, kind of explain our goals, why we think this is important, and everything really fell into place. 20 painters signed up the first round, so that's half of our field staff. And Spanish for Entities has been very flexible.
After a conversation with the HR department, we identified that for them is very important safety. And with construction, which is their industry, we care about safety terms, vocabulary that they're going to use every day.
So as a business owner, one of the things that is really important, and it seems to be getting more and more important, is we have to take care of the whole employee. And really the icing on the cake for us has been being able to offer these English classes for our employees, because really that is mobile. That is something that is going to benefit them and their families for a long time to come.